Micromotor madness. Scale down, drive big.
2 generations. 1 epic showdown. The classic EasyRC Patriot, rebadged as a Toyota and fully rebuilt for performance, versus the all-new FMS FCX18 LC80, packed with modern tech. Our Patriot started as a $59.99 rig, but after a complete rebuild, new electronics, wheels, and tires, it's now a $189.99 mini crawler, built to perform. The FCX18, on the other hand, launched at $179, bringing a 2-speed gearbox, portal axles, and the new Flysky FMS electronics for precise throttle modulation. But the blue LC80 isn't stock either. With metal gears, full bearings, an Endura 180 motor, new shocks and tires, its total build value climbs to $273.99. 2 generations, 2 builds, 1 rocky battlefield. Let's find out which one climbs the best.
Let's go. 2 generations, 1 rocky ride. Custom rigs, side by side. Different arcs, but the same old fight. Crawling slow through rocks and dust. They twist, they climb, they move in sync. 2 crawlers linked, but the same instinct. Let's ride. Suspension tuned, balance fine. Grip the stone, hold the line. Modern gears and vintage pride. Both refuse to slip or slide. Modern gears and vintage pride. Both reveres to slip or slide. They climb as one over time in steel. Different ages, the same old feel. Let's go. Different ages. just the same old feel. Let's go. The Patriot's old, but still alive. Straight axles, yet it loves the drive. Heavy cab, scale inside. Realism strong, no need to hide. Wheels tucked tight beneath the frame. Open fierce, it plays the game. Evolution molds, it never stops. From tiny trails to mountain tops. Let's go, hit like, subscribe, join the tribe. Micromotor madness, feel the vibe. Tiny Rinse, Johnny Pride.
Subscribe, like, and ring that bell. See you in the next one.